Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs. Decisive Designs Table and More Solution and Gardenista Meadow. So today I have this beautiful um centerpiece. It's a center table. Can't think here for a minute. It's a center table that is well built. The wood is natural. You can see all the grains and stuff that is on it. And then these gorgeous iron heads that is all the way around it, and it makes it even more beautiful. And they painted just the legs and the side boards blue. So to make it country, I don't know. I can easily paint over that. But I think naked as it is, it's gorgeous. And I think it would be perfect for a lodge, a cabin, or some naturalistic living room that you only want to see the natural wood going through your living room. So I even have the two side tables that go with it. And they are the exact match of the table. The same top with the painted legs blue. So what I'm going to do with this, I want to display some items on here so that I can show my customers different ways of using this table. You know, a lot of times we use our center table for books and centerpieces, um, stationary things, like this plate here. It's a big open vase that you can put Christmas ornaments in. You can put those decorated balls in it. And you can put all different kind of stuff, moss in it, all different kind of stuff, right? And then just let it be. But today I want you to imagine it in your space a different way so that you can utilize it a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is, I am the Tablescape queen. So I am going to put a tablescape on it, some dishes and stuff. And think about having a snack here with your family, putting four pillows and everybody just gathered around and enjoy little talks and stuff. Or even put your dinner plate on it while you're on the couch watching TV. So this is what I'm going to do. I have this gorgeous table runner. This runner is from Pier 1, and I just love their stuff. Of course, I picked this up over 14 years ago, and it's still looking gorgeous. And I brought it to the shop today because I want to get out of reds in my home. I want to try more neutral colors and my favorite blue and greens. And those are the colors that I'm in. So I'm jealous, and I know the red color is jealous because it's not being utilized anymore in my home the way it had been. So I folded this in half, and I'm going to run it down the center of this table. And already it looks gorgeous, right? And then what I'm going to do is, and these are just as additives that will help you get the texture and a more glam look or a cohesive look. And you don't have to use these. These are some placemats that I picked up from Home Goods um, last Christmas. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 4 of them on this table. I could go with 3. 4 is pushing it. I could go with 3 just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm going to take the 4th one off. When it's too much, it's too much. So I place those on the table. Now I have these beautiful black and gray chargers. And again, different layers to get different look, texture, and to be a little bit cohesively put together. So I'm going to put these on because I want black and red today. Christmas is around the corner, and every store I go to, I see a little Christmas motif. So I want to capture some today in the store. And then I have these gorgeous plates. I love these stoneware plates. They are gorgeous. They are from Signature. I need my glasses to see the rest. But they're stoneware. They're gorgeous. I love the texture on them. And I love that they're 2 different shade of black. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 1 on each. And then I'm going to bring in this gorgeous plate from Royal something, because the name is kind of shaded out. And I'm gonna bring in this beautiful plate. Look at it. It's beautiful. These colors I love. The peacock colors I love and adore. And those are the colors that I currently use in my home. So I'm gonna put this one on here. So it's good to match everything, but sometimes to get a different texture or a different look, I love to add something different to make the table look exclusive. So I have this black salad plate. This is from Mikasa. And look at the texture on it. Look at that. And the way it dances in the light. That is gorgeous. And I'm going to put it on this beautiful feather plate. And these plates, see the name? Furora. I don't think I said that right, but it is Furio. And these are this matted shade black, and you know it goes with, look at this. So this is the plate, this is the salad plate, right? And the other one. And sometimes I pick stuff up, see that, how that cohesively match. I don't do it, my spirit does it, thank God. So cohesively, they blend exactly together, right? So this is a more tone down look, and not so glamorous, because again, you're using this beautiful wooden table that is more of a country style. So um, I have 4 black bowls, and this is from home. And look at the design. It now picks up on that two-tone dish. Isn't that gorgeous? And inside is matte. So I'm gonna put it on my 3 plates, right? So how gorgeous those are. And I'm telling you, I have never done black plates before on my table at home, but I think I'm gonna try it now because I love the look. So I was going for red and black, right? And I want to show you what I've done so far. Oh wow, that's too, it's a good zoom. All right, so this is what I've done so far. This zoom on this camera is gorgeous. It's really good. All right, that's what I've done so far on this beautiful table. But I'm gonna show you how changing one thing could change the look of the overall tablescape. Okay, so I have these gorgeous, gorgeous gold and diamond. I'm gonna say diamond charger. These are just so sparkly. They're gorgeous, right? Gorgeous, gorgeous. I priced them for $2.99 because they're gorgeous, right? So I'm gonna remove those black and gray chargers and put these, and just by changing the background off your plate changes the entire look. Right? And it still gives you that Christmas vibe, right? So how about that look? Do you like that look more? Let me zoom in. That zoom is so huge. Wait for it. Wait for it. All right. All right. So let me zoom in. See that? How do you like that look? Look at that zoom, by the way. This is a new phone that I just purchased. Because I want to give my iPhone a rest. It's the Galaxy phone, so don't be jealous. It just has a lot of zoom on it. So how about that look? And let me bring it back to where it was. Yeah, how about that look? And sometimes I have to put the camera there. So now I'm going to change the bowls. And again, changing out different things changes the look. So these gorgeous bowls that exactly matches the table, the plates. And I'm going to get these gorgeous ones. And these are from Sango. These are gorgeous, right? And it has this copper edge on it. And it changes the entire look. So what I'm saying, be open to change your look. One thing at a time. Don't do too much for you not to like it. Do one thing and experience the look. Meaning, wear it for a couple of days. Look at it for a couple of days, even weeks. Because I think most things you have 30 days to return it, right? So do more than 2 days to see if you will like it, because that is the epitome of good design. Now, I'm gonna move out the red because this red is like hot, like it's bright. So I'm gonna move out those red placemats and show you the look. Different things changes the look. And you don't have to be so outrageous. Some people love being outrageous with the colors and the different aesthetics. I am one of those people, but it's not for everyone. It is not for everyone. And if you do something simple like that, everyone just might come and gather around your table. So today, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps my video go further. Also, please subscribe. I love when you subscribe and also comment. It encourages me to make more content for you. So I thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. But I want to show you how beautiful that table is. The table is beautiful. And you see that? That is just gorgeous. And don't you love those things? But what I'm gonna do, I am gonna put the black plates back because I love them. And I'm going for the black look. So, thank you again. Peace.